In this video, you will learn how to use BambooHR. BambooHR stands out as a leading HR software solution that is specifically designed to small to medium-sized businesses. One of its main advantages is its user-friendly interface, intuitive navigation, which makes it easy for HR teams to manage employee data, time track, run payroll without a steep learning curve, found in more complex systems. BambooHR offers robust employee record management, which allows HR managers to store and access employee information, documents and performance reviews in one centralized location. It also includes advanced reporting tools, allowing HR professionals to generate detailed reports on employee turnover, compensations, benefits, and more. Additionally, BambooHR integration integrates well with third-party tools such as Office 365, Slack, Gmail, and QuickBooks, which makes it slightly applicable for businesses that use a variety of multiple different platforms. Cons. While BambooHR offers a comprehensive set of features, it does have its limitations, and it makes it not suitable for every business. One of its main drawbacks of BambooHR is its lack of advanced payroll functionality in its standard plan, which requires businesses to either upgrade to a higher plan or integrate with a third-party payroll solution, which can add complexity and additional cost. Additionally, though BambooHR is great for small to medium-sized businesses, it does not scale very easily as a larger enterprise that needs more robust customization or specialized HR functionality. Another limitation is that some features, such as benefit administration, can be a bit basic compared to other HR solutions such as Gusto or as a benefit, which offers more extensive benefits to HR management tools. While BambooHR offers a wealth of features, they are typically geared towards basic HR processes and may not meet the needs of complex HR environments. Pricing. BambooHR offers a customized price based on the size of your organization, the features you need, and the number of employees. Unlike many HR platforms that offers fixed pricing tiers, BambooHR provides a quote-based system where the price is dependent on the specific requirement for your business. Typically, pricing starts around $6 per employee per month for its core HR functionality. Additional features such as performance management, advanced reporting, and employee self-service may require an upgrade to a higher tier plan, or can come with an increasing cost every month. BambooHR also offers add-ons such as payroll, benefit management, which can be priced separately. For businesses that want a comprehensive HR solution, the pricing is considered competitive when comparing other HR management platforms on the market, though it may be higher than some alternatives aimed at smaller teams. Ease of use. BambooHR is often praised for its user-friendly design, which is one of its standout features. The platform's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, which makes it ideal for HR teams with limited technical expertise. Setting up using BambooHR is generally quick and makes users report minimal friction when implementing the new software. The dashboard provides easy access to essential information such as employee records, time off balance, and performance reviews, all into one place. BambooHR self-service portal empowers employees to update their information, request time off, and access HR documents independently, freeing up HR staff for routine tasks. BambooHR offers great customer support, including live chat, email support, as well as a wide array of tutorials and even knowledge-based articles to help users make the most of their platform. BambooHR is better than its competitors. BambooHR is simplicity and has an intuitive design which makes it a strong contender and competitor in the HR software space, especially for small to medium-sized businesses, unlike larger HR platforms such as ADP and Workday, which may offer an overwhelming amount of features that can be difficult to navigate for many beginners. BambooHR provides a clean and even a streamlined solution that focuses on only essential HR functionalities. Its ease of use, particularly for HR teams with limited resources or technical expertise, is a major differentiator. BambooHR is one of the most affordable for small businesses compared to other comprehensive HR tools. This can provide higher base costs or complexity pricing model. Additionally, BambooHR's integration capabilities allows many businesses to customize their HR ecosystem by connecting popular tools such as Slack, QuickBooks and more, increasing its flexibility. Overall, BambooHR is a comprehensive HR software platform designed to help small to medium-sized businesses manage their human resources more efficiently. With its user-friendly interface and modern and sleek design, BambooHR simplifies essential HR functionalities, such as time off tracking, record, management time off, performance management and reporting. The platform centralizes all employee data, making it easy for HR teams to access important information and keep it all in one place, which leads to a better organization and reduced manual workload. BambooHR also offers employees a self-service portal, allowing employees to update their own information, request their own time off and access company documents independently, which reduce the workload on many HR staffs. This feature empowers employees to manage their own HR-related needs, giving HR professionals more time to focus on strategic and innovative employee engagement. Additionally, the platform automation tools help improve efficiency, make processes such as onboarding and offboarding a lot smoother. While BambooHR is primarily known for its simplicity and ease of use, it also has a powerful customization options and integrates with popular tools such as QuickBooks, Slack and Office 365, ensuring seamless communication and data flow across various business functionalities. The platform's competitive pricing, especially for smaller businesses, makes it an appealing choice compared to other HR solutions such as ADP or Workday, which can often come with more complex pricing models or even at a higher cost. BambooHR's customer support is highly praised, offering live chats, email support and a vast library of resources to assist its users in getting the most out of the platform. Although it lacks advanced features like in-depth payroll processing in its basic plans, its scalability and range of add-ons allow the business to expand its functionality as and when it needs it. The ability to integrate with third parties adds further flexibility, making it suitable for even small or growing businesses that require customizable HR solutions. With its user-friendly design, affordable pricing, and powerful set of features, BambooHR remains one of the most popular choices for many small businesses looking to streamline their HR management processes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. While BambooHR is primarily known for its simplicity and ease of use, it also has a powerful customization options and integrates with popular tools such as QuickBooks, Slack and Office 365, ensuring seamless communication and data flow across various business functionalities. The platform's competitive pricing, especially for smaller businesses, makes it an appealing choice compared to other HR solutions such as ADP or Workday.